Hello, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to uh, take you to make coffee bean cookies, which is very simple and it's also very nice, especially for you who loves coffee. So the ingredient is just like this. We have uh, 2 egg yolk. This is my kit. We just broke the egg apart, so I'm going to have to scoop the yolk, and then we have butter. It's 175 grams of butter. I use unsalted butter. We also have plain flour, about 240 grams of plain flour, castor sugar, 100 grams of castor sugar, 25 grams of cocoa powder. I use 20 grams of cornstarch, and also 1 spoonful of instant coffee. But if you love coffee, you might want to add some more. Normally I use double shot, so it's twice more, 2 spoonfuls of coffee. It's really optional, whatever you like. So I'm going to start to make my cookies. Okay, first what we need to do is to mix the butter. I put it here, and also the castor sugar. Just mix it here. So this is the butter and the sugar and the egg yolk that is already mixed. Just don't mix it too long. Okay. Now the next thing we do is we put hot water into the coffee. It's about 2 spoons of hot water. Mixing our dough. I put the flour. Let me see. Okay. I'll do sieve here, just like that. I mix the flour and also the cornstarch. Nice. So it's mixed up well. Okay. So it's mixed up well. Until it's finished. Okay, just put it away. We mix the dough. The dough is gonna be just like chocolate chip cookies, you know, that it's a bit hard, slightly solid, unlike dough for cakes. And we put the chocolate in, or the chocolate powder in, mix it, mix it. Last thing we do is put the coffee in. If your dough is too stiff, you can put some more hot water with the coffee. not too much, just a little bit. That are ready to be molded. Okay, it's stiff and nice. Okay, put it here. I use baking tray like this with baking paper. Just make it's easy. Make an oval shape and put this away. If you really want to do nicely, then you can use digital scale and scale it about 5 grams each cookies.